What is this, Gordon? What do we got here?
Adam, check it out. Second generation ThinkPad X1 Extreme laptop. You know and love it. I just reviewed one of these recently, and you're like, whoa, they've auto-replaced it? Yes, they have.
All right, well, what's different?
Big deal. This screen, as you can see on video, on YouTube, on your phone at low res, it's beautiful, right? You can see that. OLED, 4K touch, 500 nit panel.
Nice.
Gorgeous. And
That looks beautiful.
all of the ThinkPad X1 Extremes are now factory calibrated using X-Rite technology or calibration to make sure they're calibrated, color calibrated correctly,
Oh, that's
500
good.
nits. Other big deal to some people, we get the carbon fiber weave. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to try to show it to you.
Kind of hard to see on video.
Now, I
but-
will point out, ThinkPad X1 Extreme has been carbon fiber, but now there's one look that sort of shows that carbon fiber weave. And no, again, it's carbon fiber. It's not like that dude with the Honda Civic with the carbon fiber hood sticker. That's a sticker. These are actually carbon fiber. Big changes inside. We now get GeForce GTX 1650 graphics on all three models. There's changes, and up to Intel's new 9th gen Coffee Lake Refresh CPUs. Big deal there is up to 8 cores in a 4-pound laptop.
Wait, are you
I'm
saying
sorry.
a Core
now
i9
somebody,
in
Lenovo is
this?
looking at me. You're saying it's not 4 pounds, Gordon. It's 3.77. Okay. So
Wait,
3.77 pounds.
But a Core i9 in this.
Core i9 in this,
Is
basically
this
in a
going to be
laptop.
another MacBook Pro problem, though?
You know, I think it's one of those things where you're talking about performance in thin laptops. There are times when you really do see that performance advantage of 8 cores. 8 cores, even at a lower clock, is going to beat 6 cores. Even if you give up some clock speeds, depending on the work, and some things, you may also see higher clocks and other things. So if it's all tuned right by the vendor and Intel, and they hit everything right, they can be faster. Generally, 7th gen to 8th gen, it was a butt kicking no matter what. I think we're going to see the same thing here. Probably proofs in the pudding, folks, when we actually get it. But big changes already, 2nd gen. Sum that up, carbon fiber lid, 4K OLED touchscreen, 9th gen, 8-core Coffee Lake Refresh, GeForce GTX 1650, and
improved audio.
improved audio too. Adam's got to point that out. Yes, Dolby Audio has been, they say they work closely with Dolby. Generally, they write them a check for that. Makes it better. Inside joke. But we'll wait to see. I'm very interested. You asked Adam how this thing is going to do compared to previous laptop, and I'm interested to see too, because the question is not how will 8-core Core i9s in 3.77-pound laptops do against a 12-pound laptop. The real question is how will an 8-core Core i9 9th gen CPU do against the previous model laptop with the same form factor, with basically the same cooling, with the same weight. That's really the real question, not if this is going to be faster than a 12-pound laptop.
Nice.
So we're going to find out. In July, the laptops ship in July, so wait for it.